It may be defect or error in the code. Good. That means who is the culprit for that? Who is the culprit? Correct. Generally, when we say, whenever we say bug, it's a problem with the developer in the code. Correct. In interview, see, let me consider this as node number 1. Remember, this is not a bug life cycle. Okay. And then let me call this point, whatever we have discussed. This is nothing but your node number 2. Now the third point which I want to tell, in interview they're asking node number 3. Okay, what are the, because of wrong question is, how does test engineer know that the code is wrong? First reason, what are the reasons for bug, or why do we get a bug? Question can be asked in any way. Generally, when I say wrong coding, because test engineer, when he's testing, he can't see the code, correct? 100% he can't see the code. So when I say wrong code, means what? Based on the functionality. Okay, correct. That means front end is not working. I don't bother about the back end, or I can't see the code. But whenever that functionality is not working, my assumption is that the code is not working. Example, if you take same simple example, let us say I multiplied 2 into 2 and I got the answer as, let's assume 4. Okay, I got answer as 0. I got answer as 0. That means instead of multiplication, the subtraction is going on. Yes or no? Actually, multiplication should go, but the subtraction is going on. So I'm saying that the code written by the developer may be wrong. But whenever we are reporting the bug to the developer, will you give him the reason? Hey, developer, your code is wrong. Will you speak like that? Or our job is only to say that bug is there? No, correct. We only prepare the bug report and send it to the developer. We don't bother about the reason for the bug. Second reason, guys, it may be missing code. Go take it from another. Okay, second thing, observe guys. Wrong code is one answer. Second thing, I am saying that missing code. When I say missing code, very simple. Assume that requirement customer says we should have an option called as loan. Under this loan, okay, again under loan, we should have an option called as personal loan. Let's assume PL. I'm writing in a short form. Personal loan. Like this, also we should have one more submodule. We should have one more submodule called as home loan. Okay, and one more submodule also, let us say, called as, let's assume that education loan. This is what is mentioned in the requirement. But once a test engineer open the application, what he's seeing, personal loan is displayed. Okay, once he opens the application, under this application, loan is displayed. Also, you observe that the personal loan is also displayed. Okay, and also you observe that the home loan is also displayed. Home loan, but the education loan is not displayed. Is it a bug or not? Personal loan is there, home loan is there, but education loan is not there. Correct? 100% it's a bug, because whatever the functionalities are available in the requirement, all those functionalities should be available in the application also. all the functionality should be available in the application. So since that functionality is not available, so the reason may be missing code. All of you understand one point. When we are specifying the work to the developer, we never say that wrong code or missing code. Only for interview purpose we have to speak, that's all. Code is missing here. Is the second point clear? Yes, and one more final reason we can say what, the third one, we can say extra code. Okay. When I say extra code, same example you take, guys, this one, the home loan, the personal loan, whatever I'm saying, right? Same example. Let's assume that in the application, see, along with this, let's assume we have personal loan developer has developed. Next, also he has developed the home loan as well. Okay. Next, also he has developed the education loan also, and also out of excitement he has created or added one more feature called as marriage loan. Is this a bug or not? This marriage loan, whatever you're saying, is it a bug or it's not a bug? Correct, it's a bug. That means whatever is not available in the requirement, boss, you don't develop. See, because even it's a good feature also you don't develop. Can anyone tell me what's the reason? Understand what I'm saying? Let's assume that marriage loan is a good option. Marriage loan is a very good option, but still you should have not written the code for this. Why? What could be the reason? What is the problem? Time consuming, time consuming. For everything, time. Customer didn't ask, I also know. Think about some other answer. Even if it's a good feature is developed, wrong. Next, anyone else? Requirements are not there, that I also know. Financial losses to the company. Yappa. All you are speaking like Ambani's today. Boss, nobody takes such kind of loan. Who said marriage loan they will not take? You get married, you will understand. Boss, the problem is test engineer cannot test it. Can you tell me why test engineers cannot test it? Test engineers cannot test it. Why? Even though the marriage loan, let's assume it's a good feature. Correct. Without requirements, how will we test it? What inputs he will give? What output he will check? What are the scenarios he is going to test? Because the testing entirely depends on the requirements only. Is it clear, guys? Correct. Nothing he can do. See, simply by seeing application, I can't test, right? Okay. Now, summary is, in interview, they ask you, what are the reasons for the bug? You can talk about the wrong code or the missing code or the extra code. But end of the day, for us, the bug is a bug, that's all. Is the point clear for everyone? Make a note of it. Just write this. Make a note of it.
ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಾಣ್ತವ್ರಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
Go. So Pooja Kumari, what is the question you're asking? What is the reason for ML means what? You only tell me what is the reason. Why I have written that ML? That's a marriage loan. I'm saying that option is not there in the requirement. Even though it is not there in the requirement, he has developed. So I'm saying that is an extra code written by the developers. Good boy, go. For 1 minute, control yourself and then speak, guys. Generally, when I say bug, okay, I found a bug. When I was testing, I started testing and immediately I found a bug. Once I found a bug, I have to prepare a bug report. Do you remember that? Right. As soon as you find a bug, you cannot orally speak to the developer. Immediately what they do, okay, I want to open a notepad as well along with that screen. 1 minute. All of you first only see the notepad, okay? Don't see the diagram. Just see this. I have to prepare, as we discussed, neatly. We have to prepare a bug report, guys. Go. We have to prepare a bug report. See, when I say bug report, you should open what I said. Bug report is prepared in which type of document? It's in Excel sheet, correct? So neatly we have to open one Excel sheet. Open an Excel sheet and start writing the contents. Okay, like the first content what we write is navigation steps. Okay, navigation steps. What is the meaning of navigation steps? Then the English meaning I'm asking. Navigation steps. I want, okay, you are right now, you are in home. Think like this, guys. Right now you are in home. You want to go to shop and bring something. Okay, give me the navigation steps. In detail, you give me. I want to go to shop and get something from the shop. What is step number 1? Go out from home. Good. First to go out from home. Next, or possible. Get out of the house. We decide the path or way. Take money out from home. Done. That means first to get up from your chair, take the money, go out of the house, close the door, go to the shop, purchase it, give him money, and then come back. Correct? This is an in detail navigation steps. Yes or no? Yes or no? Oh, take mask and sanitizer. Wow, great, Ole. Perfect. Now like this you observe, guys, like this. Navigation step. My step number one. Log in to the application. After logging in, compose a mail and send. Done. This is the second one. Next one, click on sent items. Click on what sent items. Once I did this, observation. Whose observation is this? Observation. Whose observation? Correct. Testing in its observation is mail not found. Okay, mail not report to the developer. Can he easily understand this bug or not? I'll use different languages, so you should become familiar. So first point is he can easily understand this bug report. Correct? Second thing, can developer easily reproduce the bug or not? You have already seen the meaning of reproduce. Remember this point. You already know what is this reproduce also. Can developer easily reproduce the bug? What is the meaning of developer reproduce the bug? What is the meaning of fixing? In tale. Reproduce means fixing. Don't tell me that I am your manual faculty. Don't take my name, take Uma's name. Boss, he wants to see the same bug once again. While teaching environment, I've already told you what is reproduced. Retest is also wrong. Listen now. Listen, I understood all your talent. But for this, you want 7 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Google only you want. Listen. When I say developer reproduce means, he should also log into the application. He should also compose a mail and send. He will also click on sent items. And he wants to see from his eyes whether mail is really found or not found. I'll repeat, whatever actions you have written here, all those actions he is going to do physically. He will also open the application, he will also log in, he will also compose, he will also click on sent item, and he will see really the mail is there, mail is not there. Is it clear for everyone? Then that's okay. For his satisfaction, whatever it is, perfect. Anything for his satisfaction, only done. He checks. Okay. Okay, observe guys. So testing him what he did, he has neatly written the navigation steps. Then he has also written something called as what? Observation also he has written. Am I clear till now? Am I clear till now? Yes. And guys, this bug report, if you ask me, okay, this bug report we prepare in Excel sheet, I said, correct? This, if you observe, this is one Excel sheet. This will be given the name as this is my bug number 1, because for every bug we prepare a separate bug report or only one bug report. That also we have discussed yesterday. One single bug report or separate. If there are 400 bugs, we are going to prepare 400 Excel sheets or 400 bug reports. Done? Okay, good. Now observe. My bug report is ready. Now I have to send it to the whom? Correct. I have to send it to the developer. So once I send this bug report to the developer, guys, what is your expectation? What developer should do? Once I send this bug report to the developers, what should the developer do? He should fix the bug. Fix the bug is nothing but he has to change the code. Take that chair out. Fix the bug. Perfect. Fix the bug. Simple answer. Everyone is saying, sir, he has to fix the bug. Okay. But first point, guys, listen. Whenever we send the bug to the developer does some actions. Okay, the developer is going to do some actions. You are only saying that, sir, he fixes the bug. You are absolutely wrong. You go to any police station, just go to police station, give one complaint. See, complaint is also one report. Yes or no? Complaint is also one report. Yes or no? You give one written complaint. As soon as you give the written complaint, what is the first thing he does? What is the first thing that a police does? Investigate. Next. Imagine all you fellows problem is what, forget about technical. Common sense answer also don't give wrong only. He will inquiry. Good that you didn't become police. He will study the complaint. That's the correct answer. Boss, first point is they are going to read the complaint, whatever you have given. Do you think that? First thing is, first he has to read whatever he has given. Yes or no? That means, simple English if you want, he is going to go through same way the developer will go through the bug report. Is the first point clear? Go through is very simple. Read whatever the bug report you have given to the developer. First he wants to read it. Okay, you tell me now why developer want to go through the bug report, or why you want to read the bug report? Why you want to go through or read the bug report? To understand, to find the bug, to know what is the bug and where's the bug, to know where the bug is. Perfect, guys. Now, simple concept. Why developer reads the bug report is not to reproduce. You are wrong. You are absolutely wrong. Simple concept. See, many heroines, minimum 60 people, 70 people, you have logged in after 15-20 minutes of classes. If you are saying repeat, other people, 390 people who logged in, should I repeat? 60 people, because they are very tired in the night, right? They have logged in every day, they are doing this only. Okay, my answer is get lost. Get lost. I will not at all repeat. But I am logging on time. I am logging on time, and you are like a heroines. You are coming after 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and you are asking me question. Don't have seriousness, Badanakai. Because you are getting food in house, right? Arams you can eat. That's the reason. Leave it, guys. They're useless actually. There's no point in speaking to them. Now listen. You go to police. Give one letter. In the letter, what you have mentioned, Narendra Modi came and he has stolen my bike. Assume it's a complaint. What will police do? Mr. Narendra Modi, he came and he has stolen my bike. What will police do? This is a complaint which you have given. Call Modi. Do you have brain only? He will take details. He will be shocked. All of you become mad. Oh, correct. They will say get lost, or they will slap and they will send you. Why? First put him only in the lockup. Correct. Why? Tell me why. Don't tell me because he's PM. Any other reason is there? He's PM. I also know. It's a fake complaint. That means whatever you are giving is invalid. Whatever you are telling, that cannot happen. First of all, that means your bug report itself is invalid. Yes or no? Are you understanding what I'm saying? That means whenever we send a bug report to the developer go through the bug report to decide if it's a valid or it's a invalid. If it is a invalid, what to do, how to do, I'll teach you later. But 99% whatever bug reports you are preparing and sending to developer, it will be valid only. Yes or no? Because I also have a knowledge. I have also understood the requirement. So first step is developer go through the bug report to decide it's valid or invalid. Okay, done. It's valid. It's valid. As soon as he says it's valid, guys, now developer starts reproducing the bug. Developer is going to reproduce the bug. See, when I say go through the bug, is he opening application or is not opening the application? Go through the bug report. Application is open, application is not open. He is opening application. For you, at least you want to learn English first, then testing you can learn. Go through the bug report means just to open whatever Excel sheet is sent to the developer and he's just reading it. He's going through. Why will he open the application for going through the report? Step number 1, boss, he don't open any application. He will only read the bug report. Am I clear? He'll only read the bug report. Second, for reproducing the bug, application is required or not required? For reproducing the bug, application is required or not required? Correct? 100% application is required. So he will not required. Wow. All Sanskrit words are coming out of my mouth only. I'm controlling, that's all. Okay. He opens the application. He opens the application. That means obviously by URL. He opens the application and he will also log into the application. He will compose a mail. He will click on sent item and he wants to see from his eyes whether the mail is there or mail is not there. Okay, mail is there or mail is not there. Is the second point clear? Correct, he will test, but we don't call it as a test. We call it as a reproduce. It's a different, see, developer is also testing. That is not the correct answer. But actual word is, we call it as a developer is reproducing the bug. Next, after reproducing the bug means physically he is also seeing whether bug is there or bug is not there. Yes or no? Physically he is seeing whether bug is there or not. Now he also saw the bug from his eyes. Okay, he also saw the bug from his eyes. Now what he does, he is going to analyze the code. Why should he analyze the code? Don't tell me for fixing. I don't want that answer. I don't want that answer. He is analyzing the code. Means what? Where to check whether issue is in the code, to check errors, what went wrong, to know why wrong, why to fix it, error found in which place. Okay, done. That means analyze the code is nothing but where exactly the code is wrong. That is point number one. And point number two, if I change this code, which, keep it there only, Sanu, which other portion of the code is getting affected? Okay, where exactly is the problem? And second thing is, where exactly, if I change the code here, can it affect other module also? Possible, not possible? Correct, obviously, because code is dependent on each other. So, so where exactly is the problem? If I change the code, which other portion of the code may get affected? All those is he will analyze, and after this, finally, the developer is going to, third point, 1 minute. Okay, analyze the code, I said. Analyze the code, and then finally, after analysis is done, carefully he's going to change the code. The change code is nothing but, till today we are talking about what, he is going to do this fixing. Is this 4 point clear? What are these 4 points? Tell me first. What are these four points? What are these 4 points? These Majina Badia developer action, same thing, whatever I have written, you are repeating. At least use one more English word from your side. Neatly you are saying developer action means developer action only. Mug up parrot fellows. These are the steps, or these are the necessary things done by developer after we send a bug report. Now my question is, for every bug, will they follow this process or not? For every bug, will they follow this process or not? Just compulsory, guys. When you send 400 bugs also, for all 400 bugs, they will do the same actions itself. Have you understood till now? Have you understood till now? Okay. Next point. Let's move forward. Don't write anything. Don't write anything. Next, observe now. Observe. See, I prepared one bug report. Now, once I prepare this bug report, Neatly I have written navigation steps also, and I have written observation also, and then I have sent it to the developers. See, once this report I am sending to the developer, okay, once I'm sending this report to the developer, obviously I am going to send him a mail, yes or no. I have to send a mail to him. Obviously we cannot speak orally, we are going to send a mail to the developer. Done. Mail is sent. After sending the mail, what is your next action? See, once you send a mail, developer will start doing all these 4 steps, correct? What is your job after sending a mail? What is your job after sending a mail? Continue testing. Wait for reply from developer. We don't sit and wait, boss. We continue testing the next modules or whatever other scenarios are there. We start testing all the other models. We start testing. Simultaneously, developer is fixing all these things, correct? Now my question is, developer did the code changes, correct? Developer did the code changes. See, once he did the code changes, how will I come to know whether he has changed the code or he has not changed the code? How will I come to know? Okay, code changes developer has done, but how will I come to know? Understand the question. Don't give me wrong answers. Your head retesting. What is my question and what are you giving answer? Our question was very simple. How will test engineer come to know that bug is fixed? That's all. Correct. We will get a mail from lead git. Again, we have to get a mail. We have to get a mail, correct? But guys, observe. In this bug report, they have introduced one more option here called as status. Very important topic. Very important topic. They have introduced one more column. Sorry, one more attribute. I can say one more attribute of a bug report or the content of the bug report. Anything we want, we can say. That attribute is called as status. See, general, I'm not talking about a bug report or testing this thing. What is the use of a status in general? I'm not saying bug report, understand? Status. In the passport, if you open, what are the different status in the passport? Passport. In your passport, lo nimajina badiya, I'm taking physical passport. In physical passport, what are the statuses we have? We have a status called as single, or we have a status called as married, or we have a status called as divorced. Okay, like this, many different status are there, correct? What is the use of this status? First of all, generally I'm asking, what is the use of this status? Wherever you have traveled, this shows that you don't have a passport. What is the use of this status? Means occupation, it seems, to identify. Believe me, guys, I should stop teaching engineering people. I should open a school. I have understood this. Your base is only not strong. That's a problem. Pass or fail? Low psycho. Status is shown as single or married or divorced. What is the use of this status here? No. With someone. Wow. You should meet me physically, Ole. Then I would have told you there only. Report is closed. Boss, status talks about the current situation of that person. Whenever I say status, it is nothing but the current situation. Remember that point. It's not about you will. So you are saying in the passport, if it is married, you will always travel with your whole family. You will travel. That is what you are saying. Status talks about not only situation, it talks about the current situation. Currently, what is the situation of that particular person? Same way, now everyone listen carefully now. Everyone listen carefully. In the bug report, okay? Just now I found a bug, guys. I am writing navigation steps. I am writing observation. And the first status is the first status. I'll write it as what you know, new, or some companies use a word called as open. This is a single status. What is the meaning of new status here? What is the meaning of a new status here? New or open? What is the meaning of it? Correct. A bug is just now found. Remember that point. A bug is just now found, or it's a new bug. Adarsh is saying new means company. What company? What company you are saying, Adarsh? If you start reading your answers right, other people will also die, I'll tell you. Now, observe. So this means what you know, newly just a bug is found. Newly bug is found. Now carefully listen now. Carefully. One more attribute is also there. One more attribute is there. That at open means old bug. Very good. For you, open means old bug, Naveen. No problem. You decide like that only. Other people, I said new or opened. First, understand English first. I can either give it as a new or I can give it as a open also. Listen. Next. One more attribute is there here, guys. This attribute is additional comments. Okay. Okay. There is one attribute called as an additional comments. Remember my statement. Remember my statement. Additional comments are given only after doing some changes to the bug report, or okay, go. Or additional comments are given only after a bug report is modified. Additional comments is given only after the bug report is changed or modified. Okay. Now you tell me. First time I'm preparing this bug report, navigation steps, observation, my status. Should I give the additional comments or additional comments will not be there? First time when I'm preparing bug report, according to my statement, answer is no. Perfect. So first time we don't give any kind of additional comments. Is it clear till now? First time we don't give any type of additional comments. Is it clear till now? Okay, good. Now carefully concentrate. Report is ready. See now, if you observe, until unless I send this report to the developer, will he do anything? Until and unless this bug report is sent to the developer, will he do some actions or will not do? He will not do, right? So now what they do, listen, whenever a bug is newly found, I'll give the status as new. Next, I came to know who is a developer who has created this module. Okay, who has created that module? So what we will do is, remove the status as new. Listen carefully. Remove the status as new, because whenever I say status, there can be only one status at a time. Yes or no? Status cannot be multiple. You cannot say single and married. That is not possible. Only one status. And now I will give the status as assigned. Okay. That means, understand what I'm saying. When I'm sending a mail to the developer, that time I'll remove the new status. I came to know who is the developer who has developed this module, and I gave the status as assigned, and then I send it to the developer. Am I clear with the second step also? Am I clear with the second step? Yes, but observe, now ಆಗಿದೆ. Observe guys, I said you whenever we do some changes, we have to write the additional comments. So after new or opened, when I change it to assign, additional comments are required or not required? Additional comments are required or not required? Correct, because the bug report is modified. So test engineer will give one comment. His comments is what changing the status to assign. Okay, and sending it to developer something number 2. Whatever comments you want, you can write. But concept is whenever a bug report is changed, compulsory you have to write some comments. So now my bug report is like this. Immediately I've sent a mail to the developer. Once I sent a mail to the developer, what will developer is going to do? What is going to do now? Developer is going to fix it. Very good, Monica. Great job. After writing here all the 4 actions also you are talking, he will fix it directly. Always talk these 4 points. He's going to go through, then he's going to reproduce the bug, then he's going to analyze, and then he's going to change the code. Now listen, once he changes the code, he should tell me that bug is fixed, yes or no? He should also tell me that bug is fixed. So he will not tell me orally that bug is fixed or not. So what developer does, once all the 4 actions are completed, he will remove the status as assigned. He's going to remove the status as assigned, and then he will write a new status as fixed. That means who is giving the status as fixed? Correct. Developer says the status is fixed. Now observe, developer opened this bug report and he has changed the status to fixed. Once he changes the status to fixed, one more thing should happen here. What is that? Once he changes status to fixed, one more thing should happen here. What is it? Correct. He has to write the additional comments. Now developer is going to write some additional comments. Comment says code changed successfully. Okay, code changed successfully. Hence the status is fixed. But any rule the developer should write in the same language only. Any rule is there, guys? Any rule is write in the same English? 100% no. However you want, you can write it. Other people at the end of the class, if you say that repeat this, repeat that, I'm not going to do it. Very, very simple. Because one small step for 2 to 3 minutes I'm taking. Remember that point. Okay, guys. Observe, whatever you want, he can write in his English. Now developer has done fix, right? And after he says fix, guys, everyone remember, once again developer is going to send us the mail. Required or not required? Required or not required? Again developer is going to send back. Okay, developers, and obviously this bug report is prepared by, everyone knows that this bug report is prepared by the test engineer only. Now developer says, boss, this bug I have changed the status to fixed. Now whose job starts? Whose job starts? Correct, test engineer. What is his job? He has to retest. Now listen, guys. Retest means he will not see the code and retest. Correct? He will just, that means retest means what, again he will log in. Observe, guys, when I say retest, he will again log into the application. He will compose a mail and send. Again, he will click on sent item and he want to see whether mail is found or mail is not found. Okay. He retested. Generally, once he retests, guys, two things can happen. Generally observe. Everything is working fine. Possible, not possible. After retesting is completed, yes, whatever the bug I told developer, it is working properly. Possible, not possible? Yes. Or can it happen that even after developer says fixed, still bug is there? Is it possible? Still the bug is there. Possible, not possible. Means code changes are done, but whatever code changes you are done, that is not working properly. That is not working properly. Are you understanding? Yes. So guys, after that fix is completed, test engineer is going to retest. Listen, test is going to retest. If it's not working, listen carefully. If it's not working, he will make it as reopen. Okay, reopen. What is the meaning of a reopen? Reopen means what? Same bug is happening once again. See, once he is reopening the bug, will he write all the navigation steps once again? Will he write the navigation steps once again? Not required, because everything is here. Everything is here. Okay. Suppose he is reopening. He is going to write a comment now. Who is going to write a comment? Who is going to write a comment? Test engineer. Boss. Bug still exists. Hence, reopening. Okay. Is it clear till now? But it happens only 1 out of 10 times. Okay, it happens only 1 out of 10 times. So I have reopened the bug. Okay. But guys, truly speaking, I tell you, 90%, 95%, once developer changes the code, he is also not a fool to not change it properly. He also know that, but problems will happen. So suppose he fixed it, I retested, and bug is fixed properly. If the bug is fixed properly, then we are going to close the bug. Okay, we are going to close the bug. This I don't want right now, but just to remember, that's all. Sometimes the bug can be reopened also. Okay, now I'm going to close. Who is going to close? Correct. Developer is going to close. This fellow got up just to know only. Good. Hey, the person who has opened the bug, he has to only close the bug. The receptionist cannot come and close the bug there. Now test engineer says, okay, functionality working. Okay, functionality working. Okay. Hence closing the bug. Hence closing the bug. Okay. Now, can I say that this bug process is over? Is it right or wrong? This bug number 1, only bug number 1. Bug number 1 process is completed. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now summary, listen carefully. Everyone listen carefully. Whenever we get a bug, we prepare a bug report. The bug report consists of navigation steps. It consists of observation, the status, and the additional comments. And we have a statuses like new or open, assign, fixed, reopen, and close. So whenever first time when I'm preparing a bug report, I'll give it as a new or open. And after that, when I come to know who is a developer, I will change the status as assign. I'll change the status to assign, and I'm going to send a mail to the developer. Developer does all these 4 actions. Okay, he does all these 4 actions. After these 4 actions are done, and he changes the code, and he makes it as a fixed, and he give it back to the test engineer. Once the bug is fixed, I have to retest it. If it is not working, make it as a reopen. If it is working, make it as a close. And whenever we are doing all these things, we have to write the additional comments. But remember, guys, this is not a complete structure of a bug report. Understand? This is not a complete structure. Right now, you have navigation steps, observation, status, and additional comments. But 15-20 attributes are there, which I'll teach you. But basic bug report, is it clear till now? Basic bug report. Have you understood this? Okay, now all you people write this as a note number 4. Or the 3 points I've told you, you write this as a note number 4. I will discuss cycle beagle, I'll discuss later. First, you write whatever you understood from this topic. Again, I'm repeating, this is not a complete bug report. The complete bug report is the last class I'm going to teach. So whatever you understood from this explanation, you first write for yourself. 5 minutes I'll give you, neatly write, but write it as a note. Note means what? Tell me everyone. Note means what? Additional comment should be given whenever any changes are done. Remember this point. Not only status. Not only status. Even if you change the observation also, you should write the additional comments. Even if you change the navigation steps also, the concept is whenever a bug report is modified, okay, we have to give the additional comments. Correct. Note means only for your reference, guys. Perfect. Write it, write it, write it. Voice is breaking. Other people, is it audible? Am I audible? Yes, that means that person, your network is not proper, guys. From 3 days, I am perfectly, I don't have any network issues, I'll tell you. So 5 minutes, I'll give you neatly write and write in your own language also, whatever you understood. I wanted to teach you this bug life cycle. Okay, bug life cycle. 1 minute. See guys, one more diagram I have presented. Can you see the new diagram now? Can you see the new diagram? Yes. Okay. Now observe, in interview when they ask you explain bug life cycle, notes I'll give you. Don't worry, notes I'll give you. This is a diagram for bug life cycle. Okay, I'll repeat. Whenever in the interview they'll say explain the bug life cycle. See, generally this diagram, okay, if you see step number 1, new or open means just now a bug is found. After this new or open, we are giving it to the whom, we are making it as a assigned, okay, and giving it to the whom, we are only making it as assigned and giving it to the developers. Developer do the necessary code changes and he's changing it to fixed. Okay, he's going to do the necessary code changes and he will change it to the fixed. After fixing, you observe now. Test engineer is going to retest. Test engineer is going to retest if the bug is fixed properly. Okay, if the bug is fixed properly. What is the meaning of fixed properly? No more bugs is the wrong answer. Boss, see, when I'm saying that no more bugs, when developer says I've fixed this bug, does it mean that other bugs are also working fine? Developer says this bug number 1 is fixed. Does it mean that other bugs are also working? Correct? No, because every bug there is a separate actions. Remember this point. So when I say fixed properly means whatever you reported in this particular bug, that is fixed properly. So test engineer is going to close the bug. But suppose when you are retesting, you found that bug is not fixed properly. But first you tell me, when I say not fixed properly, code changes are done or code changes are not done? Not fixed properly. Code changes are done or not done? Code changes are done, not done. Correct? 100% code changes are done. But whatever you have done, the code changes, it is not working. Okay, I'll repeat. Code changes are done, but what code changes you have done, right? It's of no use only because the intention is still not working. So when it is not fixed properly, then I will give the status as reopen. Is a diagram clear? First of all, is a diagram clear? Yes. So my first question, who gives the status as open? Who gives the status as open? This is given by what you know, test engineer. Perfect. Who gives the status as assigned? Who is giving the status as assigned? Assigned is also the status given by test engineer only. Perfect. Next, who gives the status as fixed? Who gives the status as fixed? Test engineer. Talk whatever you want, Ale. Who gives the status as fixed? Fixed is a status given by the developer. Fixed is a status given by the developer. Next, who gives the status as retest? Who gives the status as retest? Test engineer. You are absolutely wrong, Ole. Waste fellows. Listen. Marrying, is it a status? Marrying. I am marrying. Is it a status? First to listen to the question. Marrying is a status or what is it? Yes, sir. Very good. This shows your English teacher talent. Marrying is a what? Married is a status that I also know. Marrying is a what? Marrying is a process or marrying is an action. Okay, it's an action. Married is already over means it's a status. But same way, retest when I'm saying, okay, Where I'm saying retest, is retest a status first of all? A test engineer, please go. What is happening? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Test engineer, go and retest. Is retest an status or it's an action? Test engineer has to retest and decide if it is fixed properly or not fixed properly. So retest is not a status. Retest is an action or it's a process done by whom? Timo? Action or process, it's done by whom?
Hello.
1 minute, guys. Sorry, guys, I was in mute. I'm sorry. Observe now. Close is also given by test engineers only, correct? Reopen, who will give? Reopen. So reopen is also given by test engineer only. So summary is, guys, in the bug report, almost each and every status is always given by whom? Almost all the statuses are given by whom? Are given by test engineer only. So developer gives only one status called as fixed. Is the diagram clear? Is the diagram clear for everyone? Correct, except the fixed. All other things are given by test engineer. If you have understood, I'll ask one simple question. Okay. Question is, there is one bug report. Okay, there is one bug report from 6 months. That bug report is in open status only. Whose mistake? There is one bug report from 6 months. That bug report is in open status only. Whose mistake and why also? Developer mistake means very good. Whose mistake and why? And why also? Many people are saying, giving correct answer. Everyone is saying test engineer. Test engineer is a correct answer. People who are saying developer, they don't know what topic is going on, only they don't know. Good, because it is not assigned. If you have a complaint only in your pocket, it's of no use. You have to assign it to the developer. Yes or no? Yes or no? The concept is simple. If you don't assign, why will he will only come and take the bug report and fix? That will not happen. Okay, good. Second, from 6 months, bug is in assigned status. Whose mistake? From 6 months, bug is in assigned status. Whose mistake? Why developer you are saying? Always give the reasons also, guys. Don't throw biscuits. Give the reasons also. He has not solved it. Once I intimate the bug to the developer, it's his job to fix it. So it is in assigned status only from 6 months means he has not fixed the bug. Second step is clear. Leni Majji, assigned status means what you are saying test engineer is not given to developer. What you are talking? Assigned means what, guys? Is it reported to the developer or not? Why? It's already reported. Why will test engineer not give? Next, 6 months the bug is in fixed status. Whose mistake? From 6 months the bug is in fixed status. Whose mistake? From 6 months it is in fixed status. If you are saying test engineer, why? Boss, remember, fixed means obviously they will send it to the test engineer. Fixed means it's the assigned means you have already sent it to the developer. Correct. If it is in fixed status from 6 months, it's a mistake of the test engineer because he has not started his job. Once the bug is fixed, they have to retest the bug. So is that also clear? Correct. Test engineer should retest. Then the topic is done. Now, very, very important question. From 6 months, the bug is in retest status. Whose mistake? From 6 months, bug is in retest status. Think and talk. Think, control, ni majjina badiya control. Control, waste fellows, wait for the answer, wait. Useless fellows, wait, I'm saying, still you are typing. First, understand the question, first of all. Control yourself, don't get excited. From 6 months, it is in retest status. Whose mistake? Think, use brain. Brain. God has given you brain. Think. One fellow is also not right. Only Sayyad is right. It is an action. It is not a status, first of all. Simply, whatever you want, you are throwing the biscuits here. That's all. Retest 10 times I told you, retest, it's not a status. It is an action. It is a process. But you are getting excited and you are giving the answer. That's all. First of all, that question itself is invalid. Is that clear? That question itself is an invalid question. Is that clear? Oh, next. From 6 months, bug is in closed status. Whose mistake? Bug is in closed status. Whose mistake? No one, no one, no one. Why no one's mistake? Obviously, closed means problem is solved. Test see one, still one fellow is saying test engineer's mistake. It's in Appa, devre. You fellows don't say anywhere that you have done engineering, please. Please don't tell it. It's real, it's an insult to the engineering, I'll tell you. All these bloody colleges, they're only making money, I'll tell you. They don't want to teach topics. They want to finish the syllabus. That's a problem. Big problem is they want to finish syllabus. I'm saying, you know. Okay, other now. When I say close, obviously it's no one mistake because the problem is solved. Now, very, very important question. Is reopen a status or not? Is reopen a status? Is reopen a status? Yes, correct. Now I know that you will give wrong answers. From 6 months, bug is in reopen status. Whose mistake? From 6 months, bug is in reopen status. Whose mistake? With the reason you give me. Stop biscuits. Stop biscuits. Give me explanation. Test engineer because he has not assigned it. Good, Abhishek. Very good. Very good. Because he has not assigned. Good. Not assigned. Good, 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 good. Okay. Very good, guys. Listen. On. Stop your answers. Stop your answers. Developer's mistake because he didn't fix the bug, it seems. Okay. Love. People who are saying developer's mistake. You have given the status as reopen. And from 6 months, it is in reopen. 100% it is a mistake of test engineer. Because you are saying it is not assigned. Now carefully listen. Full stop. I'll change the sentence. Everyone concentrate. Reopen means, okay? Reopen means by default, guys, reopen means by default, it is assigned back to the same developer. I'll repeat the sentence. Everyone concentrate. Everyone concentrate. Reopen means by default, it will be assigned to the same test engineer. Is my English clear for you? Then reassign means by default it is assigned back to the same developer. We don't have a status called as a reassign. All of you understand? We don't have a status called as a reassign. So when you say reopen, right, by default that developer should take the bug and it should start doing the actions. Now if you have understood, tell me, from 6 months if it is in reopen status, whose mistake? Developer, test engineer, very good. %90 of you are giving correct answer. Sir, it's developer's mistake, sir. People who are saying test engineer. Tell me why test engineer? Give me one reason. 100% answer is developer, guys. Perfect. If as a test engineer, when I have reopened the bug, reopen means by default it went back to the same developer. He is not fixing it. He is not fixing it. So it's a mistake of developer. So some 4 or 5 people said test engineer's mistake. Tell me why. Give a lie. People who say test engineer mistake, why? Simply, sir, choose the correct answers. I choose Akkad Bakkad Bombay Bo. I have chosen, that's all. Answer is, once the bug is in the reopen status, it's a mistake of a developer. He has to start working. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Boss, Adarsh, 10 times I told you reopen means it is reassigned back to the same developer. There is no status called as reassigned. Again, you are asking me same question. Sir, he has not reassigned. Okay. Now see this diagram, guys. See this diagram. Whenever we get a bug, the first status is new or open. Then immediately we change it to assign and give it to a particular developer. Next, developer is going to do the code changes and he will make the status as fixed. Then we do the necessary action, that is retesting, working fine, close, not working fine, Is it correct? Someone is asking, sir, who gives the status as retest? Some other people give the answer. Is asking who gives the status as reopen. Reopen. Retest is not a status. Perfect. Retest is not at all a status. It's a process. Reopen. Good, guys. Why they're asking also tell you. Some 7 people have joined now. They were busy with this Corona meeting with Modi and all CMs of the states. Just to know they finished their conference call and they have come here to attend my class. Okay. Take Yediyurappa also perfect. Everyone, all these 7 people, they were very busy. I don't know. For 1 minute they earn 2.5 crores. They earn. Very busy people they are. I'll tell you. Okay, guys, listen. Now carefully listen. Carefully listen. Now write the heading as bug life cycle or defect life cycle, and write this diagram. Definition I will give you. Okay. Write the heading as, take a fresh page if you ask me. Bug life cycle. Write this diagram neatly. I will give the definition. When they ask explain bug life cycle, what to talk, I will tell you now. Start writing the heading and the diagram. Sir, if that bug is not solved by the same developer, any chance to give to the new developer? No, Prem. If he is not able to solve the bug, means they will throw him outside. That's all. First of all, you are a developer means obviously your job is to solve the bugs. There is no question of giving it to the new person or other person. Very straightforward. They will throw them outside. Atiti Abhyas Nayak, answer is yes for your question. Obviously, there is no choice, right? So they have to do that. Answer is yes. Shashank BS, very early to ask that question. We'll discuss later. Very early. Sir, the bug reproduce process is always done in the test server.